How to change profile picture on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on the profile section, simply tap on the edit button which can be seen at the top of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it on the new page, you simply have to tap on the profile picture. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can either take a photo or select the photo from a gallery. So for this video, I'm gonna simply select a photo from the gallery. So simply tap that option, and once you do that, it will prompt you to the gallery section. Now from here, you simply have to pick the picture that you want to upload as a profile picture. And now here, once you pick that, you can simply tap on the next button. And now here, once you tap on next button, you simply have to tap on save and post. And once you do that, this picture will be changed as your profile picture. And that's it. That's how you can change your profile picture on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.